Okay. Oh, looks like the Easter Bunny came, huh, Penny? Yeah, the Easter Bunny came. Cool. Very cool. Wow. Easter Bunny left you guys a lot of cool stuff. Oh, here come the little ones. Hi, Brandon. Hi, Cody. Looks like the Easter Bunny came. Left you guys some presents and candy.
Oh, do you see a bee for Brandon in here? Is it too early in the morning? Brandon just woke up. There's a bee for Brandon. This is yours.
This one is mine.
Here, Cody. Here's yours, buddy. There's Cody's.
Eagle and Ray Striker.
You like that
Let's
guy?
see if you got any Beyblades.
Oh, Brandon, you got a Beyblade.
You got a
I
Tatey.
don't know. Oh, his name is Verno. Eagle and Ray Striker. A double launcher.
Did you get Cody?
Door shut. The door.
Oh, you got a school bus.
It's a double,
Wow.
It's a double bay launcher.
Oh,
Two Beyblades.
awesome, guys.
I get some Play-Doh.
Looks like a bubble
I
gun.
got these. Yeah.
Oh, yeah? Very cool, Cody.
Yeah, did you get blow bubbles?
You guys are funny. What'd you get, Brandon?
Look, who's this? He's cute.
Hey, Brandon, did you get a Beyblade?
Show your Beyblade.
Awesome, Brandon. Very cool. Very cool. And Pate?
A double Beyblade launcher.
Whoa.
I can hardly fit it in.
Awesome. And a new school bus. Very cool.
That's right.